The local time is approximately 8:22 a.m. For your safety as well as the safety of the passengers seated around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your cabin baggage securely stowed till the aircraft has come to complete and final stop at the terminal building and the captain has switched the seatbelt sign off. Mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. Please ensure you have all of your personal belongings with you upon leaving the aircraft, and use caution when removing articles in the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. Please remember that smoking is not permitted until you are in a designated smoking area. When you require any assistance upon deplaning, please remain seated, and we'll be more than happy to assist you once the aisles have become free. On behalf of your captain and your entire in-flight crew, thank you for traveling Flair Airlines. Once again, welcome to Edmonton and have a wonderful day.
Assis autour de vous. Veuillez s'il vous plaît rester assis, avec votre ceinture attachée, et gardez vos bagages à main bien rangés jusqu'à l'arrêt complet de l'appareil devant le terminal, et que le commandant de bord ait éteint le signal lumineux des ceintures. L'utilisation des appareils mobiles et la désactivation du mode avion est